Hello friends, நாம் இப்போ worksheet 19 plant physiology பார்க்கலாம். Choose the correct answer. The non-directional movement that responds to touch stimuli is thigmonasty. Dug a pit 3 feet away from a coconut tree and pour water in the pit for 15 days. After that, you could observe a type of unidirectional movement of the roots towards the pit, and it's called as hydrotrophism. The non-directional movement of a plant pot in response to light is photonasty. Tendrils of climbers such as Cissus quadrangularis, Pirandai in Tamil, twine around the fence and in plants of a garden. This movement towards touch is called as thigmotrophism. Non-directional movement that makes some plants like jasmine to bloom in night is called as photonasty. Fill in the blanks. Trophism is generally termed positive if growth is towards the stimuli and negative if it is away from the stimuli. An abiotic factor, light, that regulates blooming of flower in moonflower. Positively phototrophic and negatively geotrophic part of a plant is shoot. In Taraxum officinale, the flowers bloom in day and closes in the night due to a non-directional stimulus, photonasty. A unidirectional movement, geotrophism, in which the root tip moves towards an essential source required for plant growth. Third Roman, state whether following statement are true or false. If false, give the correct reason. Nastic movement are temporary and reversible. This statement is true. Unidirectional movement are found in all plants. This statement is also true. Chemotrophism is movement of plant in response to gravity. This statement is false because chemotrophism is movement of plant in response to chemicals. Unidirectional movements are slow in action. This statement is also true. Shoot system is positively geotrophic. This statement is false because shoot system is negatively geotrophic. The following stimulus and movement with plant and its spots: water, root, light, Epomia alba, temperature, tulip, thigmonasty, Mimosa pudica, and then phototrophism, Helianthus annuus, that is sunflower. Very short answer. Define unidirectional movement and state the types of unidirectional movement in plants. Trophism is a unidirectional movement of a whole or part of a plant towards the direction of stimuli. Types of unidirectional movement in plants are phototrophism, geotrophism, hydrotrophism, thigmotrophism, and chemotrophism. How photonastic movement of Taraxum officinale is different from Epomia alba. Taraxum officinale blooms in morning and closes in the evening. Epomia alba, that is called as moonflower, opens in the night and closes during the daytime. Short answer. Identify the flower in the given line art. Complete the diagram and find out what kind of movement does the plant exhibit. Draw the direction of sunlight with reference to the position of the flower. Draw and complete this diagram. And in this diagram, the plant exhibit phototrophism, that is movement of a plant part towards sunlight. A biology teacher and students of class 9 visited a mangrove forest nearby the school. A student inquired why the roots of some halophytes are upright. What would be the teacher's reply? Explain. Some halophytes produce negatively geotrophic roots, example Rhizopora. These roots turn 180-degree upright for respiration. Crossword puzzle. Note: numbers in the bracket indicates number of letters. Taraxum officinale blooms in morning and closes in the evening. The light energy is converted into chemical energy during photosynthesis. Helianthus annus follows the path of the sun from dawn to dusk. Transpiration creates an absorption force in roots. Response of a plant pot to touch stimulus is thigmotrophism. Non-directional movement of a plant pot in response to light stimulus is photonasty. Response of a plant pot to gravity stimulus is geotrophism. Transpiration is necessary for continuous supply of minerals. The leaves have minute pores called stomata. Thermonasty is a nastic movement which changes in temperature. Complete this crossword puzzle. ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்படியே பக்கத்தால் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். அவங்களுடைய வேல்யூபிள் கமெண்ட்ஸை போஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.